Welcome back to Britology. Today we're stepping into a world where travel meets luxury, and where the open road doesn't mean leaving behind the comforts of home. In fact, some of these motorhomes are more luxurious than most houses. We're talking about the next generation of high-end motorhomes, those being unveiled for 2026. These are not just vehicles. They're rolling mansions, technological marvels, and status symbols that redefine the meaning of road travel. The luxury motorhome market has always had a touch of extravagance, but what we're seeing in 2026 takes it to a whole new level. Designers are no longer just thinking about comfort. They're combining the latest in automotive engineering, smart home integration, and even sustainable technology. The result? Motorhomes that feel like five-star hotels on wheels. Imagine driving across the country, pulling over for the night, and stepping inside a space with marble countertops, climate-controlled wine cellars, underfloor heating, and an entertainment system better than most cinemas. That's the reality of the new generation of luxury motorhomes. One of the biggest highlights for 2026 is the integration of AI-powered control systems. These vehicles come with voice-activated assistants that control everything from lighting and temperature to entertainment and security. Picture this. You're sitting in the lounge area, and with a simple voice command you can dim the lights, lower the projector screen, and stream your favorite film in surround sound. Many of these systems also learn your personal preferences, adjusting automatically, depending on the time of day or even your mood. Design has also taken a huge leap forward. The interiors are no longer just functional. They're designed by the same firms that furnish luxury apartments and yachts. Expect to see real wood veneers, Italian leather upholstery, brushed aluminum finishes, and even custom artwork built into the design. Some manufacturers are offering bespoke interiors, where customers can choose every detail, from the layout of the living space to the fabric of the curtains. Essentially, it's interior design on wheels, crafted exactly to your taste. Space optimization is another area that's been revolutionized. In the past, motorhomes were always about compromise. You'd gain mobility but sacrifice space. But in 2026, advanced engineering allows for expandable living areas. Entire walls can slide out at the touch of a button, creating double or even triple the floor space when parked. Some models include pop-up roof decks where you can lounge with panoramic views, complete with retractable awnings and even outdoor kitchens. Imagine pulling up to a lakeside spot, extending your living space, and enjoying dinner under the stars on your private rooftop terrace. Let's not forget about the kitchens, because they're now designed for serious cooking. These aren't the cramped kitchens of traditional RVs. We're talking full-sized appliances, induction cooktops, convection ovens, wine fridges, and even smart refrigerators that track your groceries and suggest recipes. The countertops are often crafted from materials like quartz or granite, giving you the feel of a modern high-end apartment kitchen. And if you think cooking inside might get too warm, many models now include outdoor kitchen modules, perfect for grilling while watching the sunset. The bedrooms in these new motorhomes rival those of luxury hotels. King-sized memory foam beds, ambient lighting, and even smart glass. Windows that can switch from transparent to opaque at the touch of a button. Some models go even further with integrated massage systems in the beds and fully soundproofed walls for ultimate relaxation. Walk-in wardrobes and ensuite bathrooms with rainfall showers and heated floors are also becoming standard in this elite category. Bathrooms deserve their own spotlight. Gone are the days of cramped plasticky RV bathrooms. In 2026 luxury motorhomes, you'll find spa-inspired spaces with marble tiles, rainfall shower heads, touchless faucets, and even soaking tubs in certain models. Some of the higher-end motorhomes even include infrared saunas or steam rooms, turning your vehicle into a mobile wellness retreat. Another defining feature is mobility without compromise. Many of these motorhomes are equipped with state-of-the-art suspension systems and hybrid or fully electric drivetrains. Manufacturers are prioritizing eco-friendliness without losing power or range. Solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof provide renewable energy, and advanced battery packs ensure you can stay off-grid for extended periods without sacrificing comfort. For those who want to take their cars with them, built-in garages are becoming popular. Yes, you heard that right, garages. Some models feature a rear compartment where you can park a sports car or a pair of motorbikes, so you'll never be without your favorite ride while traveling. Entertainment is another area that's been transformed. The best 2026 models include cinema-quality projectors, 5K OLED screens, immersive 3D sound systems, and even VR-ready gaming setups. For families, there are dedicated entertainment rooms with reclining theater seating, snack bars, and blackout blinds. Imagine pulling up in the middle of nowhere and watching the latest blockbuster with a cinema experience that rivals any theater. The driving experience has also been elevated. Gone are the days of stressful long-distance driving in bulky vehicles. These motorhomes feature advanced driver assist technologies, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic braking, and even semi-autonomous driving modes. Some brands are incorporating augmented reality dashboards that overlay navigation and real-time hazard detection directly onto the windshield, making the experience both futuristic and safer. For outdoor enthusiasts, luxury motorhomes are now equipped with integrated adventure gear. Think retractable drone launch pads for aerial photography, built-in e-bike charging stations, or even modular storage for kayaks and paddleboards. These motorhomes aren't just about staying indoors in style. They're about bringing all your hobbies and passions with you on the road. Of course, luxury comes with a price. The 2026 models range anywhere from £500,000 to well over £3 million, depending on the level of customization and technology included. While this might sound out of reach for most people, it's worth remembering that the audience for these motorhomes often compares them to yachts or private jets. In that context, a few £1,000,000 for a rolling palace that can take you anywhere in the world seems almost practical. What makes these motorhomes truly special, though, is the sense of freedom they provide. Unlike a static mansion or a resort stay, you're not tied down. You can wake up one morning in the mountains, spend the afternoon by the beach, and enjoy dinner overlooking a desert canyon, all without ever leaving the comfort of your luxurious home on wheels. The 2026 luxury motorhomes aren't just vehicles. They're a statement about the future of travel. They combine sustainability, advanced technology, and personalized comfort in ways we've never seen before. For those who can afford it, the world is quite literally at their doorstep, wrapped in elegance and powered by innovation. And that wraps up today's journey through the world of 2026's most luxurious motorhomes. If you enjoyed this dive into the future of high-end travel, make sure you're subscribed to Britology for more stories about the fascinating ways technology, design, and culture are shaping our lives.